Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to turn off conversation tones on WhatsApp. Maybe you find the notification sounds for incoming messages in WhatsApp distracting or disruptive. So today I'm going to show you how to turn off conversation tones on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. On this page, tap on this three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. From this menu, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, select Notifications. Here, you will find various options related to your notification settings. Now, to turn off conversation tones, simply toggle off the switch next to this option. Once it is turned off, you will no longer hear notification sounds for incoming messages. Please note that this will not affect other notification settings such as calls, media playback, or system sounds on your device. There you go. If you wanted to know how to turn off conversation tones on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to turn off conversation tones on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.